Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with the next of my Zombicide Undead or Alive mini. This one is Molly. I have primed her black and given her a white zenithal highlight. To get started, I base coat all of her dress with army green. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. The first highlight for the dress is olive green. For this I pretty much just left the army green in the recesses and the shadowed parts. To finish off the dress, I highlight all of the raised areas with golden olive. This gives it that yellow-green look that's in the card art without shifting it too far away from green. With the dress all finished, I move on to the skin with Dwarven Skin from Two Thin Coats. As with Pablito, I don't want to do her hair pure black, so I went with black grey for her hair and her boots. For the rest of her clothing, I went for a base coat with warm grey. She has a bow in her hair that needs to stand out a little bit more, so I touch it up with sand yellow. To make the white parts of her clothing stand out some more, I highlight them with Trooper White. All the metallic parts get a quick once over with plate armor. skin was a little too dark, so I used elven skin to highlight up just to a closer match to the card art. The sand yellow was a little too flat for my liking, so I added a highlight with pale yellow. For the base, I went with plague brown just to match the rest of this box. Moving on to the washes, I start with a green wash using military shader. To finish up, everything else gets a wash of light tone. And that will be it for Molly. I like how the green came out, and I think it could be used for military clothing quite well. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mainly on my Instagram page. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.